What's up guys, Jason here, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a simple Elmo balloon. So all you need is an anagram foil balloon, which I'll be using Elmo's face right here, and a 12-inch standard red balloon for 5 inches red for the feet of Elmo, and 2 for the hands of Elmo, 1 red 260 for Elmo's elbow, another red 260 for Elmo's neck, and a scrap of 260. So first I will take my scrap of 260, I'll take the end of it and I will tie it a few rounds to create a resin. Just tie a knot overlapping each other, maybe two or three times. Right. You don't need the rest. I'm gonna cut it off. Right, now you have your resin. You're gonna have to put it in to the 12-inch red, right? And find the very top of the balloon, twist a few rounds, and use the rest of your scrap of 260 and tie it around a few times. Now you're gonna give your balloon, let's say, 30 to 35 pumps. Now you have something like this. You're gonna tie up your balloon, and now you'll use some of the scrap from the resin twist, some of it. You're gonna keep that for later. So now you're gonna grab your foil balloon, which I've already inflated right here, and top up some air, and we're gonna tie it on the knot of the latex balloon. So now you'll have something like this. Alright, so now you're gonna grab your red 260 and we're gonna cut it in half. This will be the elbow of Elmo. So you're gonna take the half that doesn't have an end and we're gonna tie it off at the end. And we're gonna inflate almost all the way. About this much. Same for the other half of the red 260. What you're gonna do next is grab your balloon, make two finger bubbles, twist them together, and form a 2-pinch twist. Like so. Now you have something like this. Do the same for the other one. And now you're gonna take two of your 5-inch balloons, give it 2 pumps, right, like so. Tie it off. Make sure the balloon is inflated roundly, like this. Right, 2 pumps. And we're gonna tie it onto the 2-inch twist. Wrap it around a few times. Now you should end up with a longer elbow. One of the balloon will be longer. Take the longer elbow and fold it like this, fold it in half, pinch it and let go. That way you will have some character to the arms, and you can make it look like he's waving to you. Alright, so once you've done that, you'll set everything aside, and we're gonna make the neck of Elmo. So you're gonna take your another 260 red and inflate it halfway, like so. Then we're gonna tie it off. We're gonna make two finger bubbles. Alright, twist this end to this end, and we're gonna make 2 pinch twists with it. Same thing with the arms. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna make the neck of Elmo. Let's find roughly the middle of it, which is somewhere here. Right. This will serve as the attachment point for the arms. Make another two finger bubbles. Twist it. Make a pinch twist. 2 pinch twists, sorry. And now we're gonna put this one at the front, and we're gonna connect it at the other end right here. And we're gonna twist it into 2 pinch twists. So before we attach the arms, we're gonna create Elmo's legs, which will serve as the base for it. So we're gonna take your 5 inches. We're gonna inflate each one to about, let's say, 5 pumps, and we're gonna make duplets out of it. 4 pumps. 4 pumps should be enough. Oh, yeah. 4 pumps. Right. Make them into a duplet. Same for the other 2. Duplets. And we're gonna take the 2 duplets and make it into a quad, like so. And we're gonna take the bottom of the balloon and use the 260 from the raisin twist and twist it in. And grab a water weight, which I have ready right here, and attach it to the bottom of the base. So now you're gonna grab your arms for Elmo, and we're gonna twist it into the attachment point. The 2 pinch twist that we created just now. Take the second arm and twist it into the 2 pinch twists. And you can position the arms wherever you want it. I'm going to give a short twist for another arm also for it to bend like this. So it's a very simple Elmo balloon. You can take a glue dot and glue it like so, which I'm going to do right now. So yeah, this is how you make a simple Elmo balloon with just using some foil and some round balloons and 2 of the 260 balloons. So yeah, this is how you make Elmo balloon characters. So if you find this video useful, please like and share, and I'll see you guys next time.